Aim of BUSM is to bring light relief in the lives of women and girl students. Aim is to give women relief, confidence and dignity, and bring them into the mainstream of national life. BUSM Niswan is trying to work in this field. Our main object is to educate our girls, because we are very behind. As everybody knows, that Muslim community is behind in education. So we want to bring our girls more forward, get them more educated, and they have to do well in life. If you educate a boy, you educate an individual. If you educate a girl, you educate the whole family. That's our purpose. All our community people should come forward, study, and we blame others. But first we have to blame ourselves. We have to be educated. We have to understand what is happening today, and we have to take part in national life also. Last year तक हम 52,000 गर्ल स्टूडेंट्स को स्कॉलरशिप दे चुके हैं, और इस बार हमारा टारगेट जो है, वी आर गिविंग 3,650 girls scholarship by check, and the total amount being distributed is 1,45 lakhs. We want this to our girls to get more aware of it.
I'm Rubina Siddiqa. I'm studying MSc second year. I came to know about this scholarship in first year MSc. It's too late because I'm too far from here. I stay in Bamnali. So I came to know through the newspaper, and it's very helpful actually. I can use this amount for my books, something like that. So it is very helpful. I would suggest everyone to come forward and take the scholarship, benefit from this, as I'm getting a benefit. So it is like helpful for PU, even for degree, even for masters. So I'm thankful for BUSM Niswan Charitable Trust for giving us this opportunity. So thank you.
Good afternoon. Here I'm Shauna Anjum from Jain University. Here I've been to BUSM Niswan scholarship program. I'm very happy that they help everyone, or especially the girls, as they're empowering women. So I just feel very happy and thank them and make dua that they still give the scholarships. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sabansa Sharif, and I am currently studying in Hasnath PU College. Hasnath Academy of Management Studies, and I am the student of BCA, first year BCA. So coming to BUSM Niswan, I think feeling very happy actually, because they have utilized this money in a very good manner, actually, because many of the peoples and many poor girls would be there in the family. So for them they are helping a lot. So I feel कि it's a very good opportunity for us to collect the money from the BUSM Niswan.
तस्मिया, इस मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी को जो पैसा मिल रहा है उससे बहुत हेल्पफुल हो रहा है. सो हम सब बहुत खुश हैं कि ये मुस्लिम गर्ल्स को बहुत इतना हेल्प कर रहे हैं.
Myself Sophia Tasking from Hasnath Women's. Here I have come for taking this scholarship money. BUSM Niswan committee helps Muslims a lot for the poor peoples to get educated. They also help for further studies.
We are actually getting so much of help from BUSM Niswan. People are able to pay the fees. Like most of the girls who are unable to read are able to read from this scholarship. We are thankful to this BUSM Niswan Scholarship Foundation and all. We are grateful that we are the students of Abbaskan College and still getting scholarships from BUSM Niswan.
BUSM Niswan has been working for the upliftment of a girl child, which is very much essential. And in the light of Quran, Hadith, and even the philosophy of Islamic philosophy, they are trying to build up the character of the girl child, giving them that sense of assurance that the community is always with those children. And we only expect these children excel in their life and give it back to the society and community in the days to come.